Hello again guys, Andrew here, welcome to my channel. We are back today with another video on ActualHits4u traffic exchange site. Now, if you already follow me on my channel, you might have watched the previous videos of this site, the one where I show and obviously show also some proofs about the traffic that it provides. And today I'm gonna show you some proof when it comes to paying its users. So on my last video I already mentioned that I requested a payout from ActualHits4u since I had a little bit more than $61, and yesterday, which is 13th, okay, I received the money. So let me just jump to my Gmail account connected to my PayPal account, and there you go. Accept your $61 USD. It's from PayPal, as you can see, from Samuel or Samuel. And Samuel, for those who don't know, it's the founder and admin of ActualHits4u. Now, before I log in, if we scroll down, there you go. This is Samuel. And with a note, payment against personal advertising service for us. Thank you for helping us grow. Meaning that a thank you for all the referrals that I brought on ActualHits4u, who upgraded, sorry, and got me these commissions. Now, if I log into my ActualHits4u account, and again, on my last video, I log into my account and I show you the commissions. And if you remember, it was 61.623. And now that I received $61, it's only 0.623 in my ActualHits4u account, and I didn't get all the $61 because of the PayPal fees. As you can see, $3.59, okay, as a fee. So I got only a 57.41, okay, but that's not the point. I've always mentioned, and I want to repeat it again, that with traffic exchange sites, the main purpose is to provide traffic to your website, all right? And it's a bonus if you start earning money with them by referring others, okay? So one of my referrals recently upgraded for 1 year, which got me almost $10, not almost, but $10, I think, or was it 9? It doesn't matter, right away, okay? Now, one thing I didn't really like about it, but I'm not gonna blame it on them, because when I first requested my payout, it was more than a month ago, maybe 2 months ago. Okay, but at that time, this site apparently was being updated. And as you can see, comparing to my other videos, if you already watched them, it changed its design, its graphics, the main menu now, it's here on the head of the site. It's not anymore on the left side where it was at the beginning. Okay, so probably because I requested the payout at that time, maybe they didn't notice my request, or maybe a glitch happened, or they missed it for some reasons. I don't know, but it doesn't matter. Yesterday I contacted them via support ticket right here. Okay, obviously you have to read all of this. Maybe your answer is here, but I submitted a new ticket about commissions payout, and within 2 hours I received an email from Samuel asking me my PayPal email address, which I gave it to him, and within the next 2 hours I received the money in my PayPal account. Yesterday, 22 hours ago. All right, uh, with this note. Okay, so probably it was because of that, because they were updating the servers, maybe the whole site, etc., that I didn't get the payout um, sooner. All right, but it doesn't matter. After all, I got it. Okay, so this, I think, proves it all, right? If you had any doubts whether ActualHits4u was a scam or legit, then this video proves that it is 100% legit. And my previous video on Actual Hits for You proves that it provides real traffic. Alright, so this is it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you want to join this site, if you haven't already, make sure to check out the description of this video. You will find my referral link, and obviously it's 100% free to join. Okay, in the meantime, also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit that like button, I really appreciate that. I wish you all the best, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.